Okay. Yeah. So you see, that's it. That's it. Ta 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 ta. Cosa. Benedetto. Benedetto. Cosa. Yeah. Everything is on the music. Now, as a leader, I follow the music. As follower, you follow me. It's simple. It's not a choreography, because if there was no music, I cannot dance. Make sense? It's not a choreo. A lot of people mistaking dancing with choreography. No, a real great dancer needs to be inspired with the music. A dancer needs to be inspired with it. Without the dancing, there's no movement. Makes sense, right? So let me tell you something. If you follow a choreography, I don't know what I'm gonna do next, because I'm getting inspired with the music. What movie is gonna come next? You don't know. You know why? You know why?
It's you. You should.
Because I don't know.
Okay.
You know what I'm talking about. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So you don't know what you do. You just follow me, and I follow the music. Music is my boss, and I'm kind of your boss. Yeah. With the leading. But now, what's the difference? The best follower is the best car. Are you a Volvo, or you a Honda, or a Corolla, or even a Lada, okay? Or you want to be a Maserati? Eh? That's what they see. Oh my God, she moves so graceful, because she control her aura. When she walk tall and strong. She don't walk tall and feel like she's small. No, she walk tall and strong with back straight. That's some black people stuff, okay? Back straight. They say, oh, be aware of the slave that look you in the eye. Chin up, all right? Chin up, back straight, chest up. Yeah, man. Look, be aware of that. They written that on the books. So I'm using that black technique on you. Every single time you're somewhere, when you walk, you walk. You just don't walk like, oh, I need to be here. No, you walk like you own that room. Makes sense, right? It don't matter. You only can control yourself. There's nobody better than you. You know why? Because they cannot be you. And you just trying to be the best version of you. Makes sense, right? If anybody's competing, they're competing with themselves, not competing against other people. Makes sense, right? What you can feel better about. If you don't feel good about something in yourself, work. Makes sense, right? Just work. Because everything is good. Yeah, that's it. I'm just following the music. Now, if you follow me, we're gonna be on the beat. And it's true, there's some steps that we can put it together, but the most important thing is you. Be that Maserati girl, be that Lambo girl, be that Maybach. Achas que ela tem dinheiro, né? Porque disse que é mais bonito, né? Achas que ela tem dinheiro, né? Porque disse que é mais bonito, né? Achas que ela tem dinheiro, né? Porque já não me queres mais. Hey.